I just wanted to show you how to use maps in Excel, specifically how to use Scotland as a map in Excel. But my first example, I'm using the US states, all 52 US states by population. So I'm just going to highlight the data, Control Shift right, Control Shift down to get everything, go into Insert, into Charts, click on Maps, click on it, and the map appears very easily based on state and population. So I tried to do the same again, this time for Scotland, based on our 32 local authorities. Using state, I thought that would be perhaps what would be picked up on the map. So do the same again and highlight the data, and then we're going to go into Insert and then Maps. But unfortunately, when we click on it, it doesn't like it, looking for country, region, state, province. So I thought, okay, fine, let's maybe try and go in and look at the countries of the UK to see if that would pick up the individual countries. So I went in and had the population of all 4 home countries. Again, highlight, insert, maps. There it is. And again, doesn't even like our 4 home countries of the UK. So after a bit of research, a bit of digging, I found out what you need to do if you want to create a map of Scotland. We need the local authorities, but give it the field heading county. The country is UK. Unfortunately, Scotland just becomes a province of the UK, but that's the only way to populate the map. So again, let's highlight the information. We're going to go in to our maps. And this time, thankfully, it works, except for it doesn't like the Gaelic name for the Western Isles, Shire, and it doesn't like Scottish borders. So unfortunately, for those 2 local authorities, we have to change. So put the Western Isles in, and you'll see the map will change from grey to blue. There we go, quite a faint blue because the population there is quite small. And then we have to take out the word Scottish from the borders, and you'll see the grey section there will change. So this is how you can create a map of Scotland in Excel. We need the country, province, county, and population. I did in fact try it for the UK countries, and again, we're all a province of country UK. So if I did it now with the extra field into maps like that, and then you'll see that you can do that. So that's just a wee video there on maps in Excel.